Hello everyone, today I will show you my homework 6, exercise 2.6. The topic is write a C# program to control the C++ program for LED4 standards. My name is Malfi. Let's start. Hardware used. First, let's look at the hardware we need for this project. There are four main things: an Arduino board like Arduino Uno, an LED light, several dopant wires, and 220 ohm resistor. This resistor is very important. If we don't use it to match correct will flow through the LED and break it. You can see pictures of the Arduino Uno and the resistor on the shield. Next, how do we connect all these hardware parts? Let's follow this path. First, connect your computer to the Arduino board with a USB cable. From the Arduino board, connect to the resistor. 3. Then connect the resistor to the LED. 4. Finally, connect the LED to the ground pin of the Arduino. We must mark two key pins. The 11 pin is a PWM output pin, which helps control the LED brightness. Ground pin is the ground pin, which is for safe correct flow. Now let's talk about the code on the Arduino side. Arduino uses C++ code. First, we have global definitions. We set the baud rate to 96000. Baud rate is the speed of serial communication. We set LED pin to 11, which means we use the D11 pin for the LED. We also have some variables. Incoming rotation, to read comments, brightness, fade amount, and 4 flags. On/off flash fade to check the LED state. Then the setup function. This function runs once when the Arduino starts. Several begin. Start the several communication with the set speed. Pin mode. Set the D11 pin as a output pin. Next are two important functions, loop and several read. First, the loop function. This function runs over and over again. After setup, its job is to call other functions to check and run the LED state. It called several read, turn LED on, turn LED off, LED flash, and LED fade every time. Then the several read function, its job is the read command from the C# program and set the stated flags. If it read n, it sets on is 1 and others to 0. LED should turn on. If it read 0, it sets off is 1 and others to 0. LED should turn off. If it read B, it sets flash is 1 and others to 0. LED should blink. If it read F, it sets fade is 1 and others to 0. LED should have a breathing effect. Now let's look at the function that makes the LED work in different states. First, turn LED on. When the on flag is 1, it used digital white LED pin high to set power to the D11 pin so the LED turn on. Turn LED off when the off flag is 1. It uses digital white LED pin low to stop setting power to the D11 pin, so the LED turns off. LED false when the flash flag is 1. It turns the LED on for 1 second using delay 1 milli, then off for 1 second. This makes the LED blink. LED fade when the fade flag is 1. It's using analyzed white LED pin brightness. To change the LED brightness, the brightness value goes up by filament in time. When brightness reaching 0 or 245, 55, fade amount change to the upper state. This makes the LED have a breathing effect. We wait 30 milliseconds each time to make the change smooth. Now let's move to the C# side. We use a Windows Form program to control the Arduino. The interface has 2 main parts. A drop-down box, it shows all the several parts on your computer, like COM3. You can select to the port that connect to the Arduino. 5 buttons. Connect button to connect the computer to the Arduino via the several port. Turn on button to make the LED turn on. Turn off button to make the LED turn off. Blink button to make the LED blink. Fade button to make the LED have a breathing effect. This slide shows the code when the C# from first opens. Its job is to find all several parts on the computer and show them in the drop-down box. Drop-down box. Turn on button sets the letter N to the Arduino. Turn off button sets the letter O to the Arduino. Blink button sets the letter B to the Arduino. Fade button sets the letter F to the Arduino. The memory and notice. Let's memory this project. We used several communication to let C# on the computer control C++ on the Arduino. The core process is C# sets a command, Arduino reads and process the command. Arduino runs the right LED state. Finally, some important notice. The several baud rate must be the same on both sides. Both are 9600. If not, they can't talk to each other. To upload the Arduino C++ code first, then run the C# program. If you run C# first, it won't work. When connecting the hardware, don't mix up the LED positive and negative poles. It won't light up if you do. Analyze connect the resistor in several with a LED. If you don't, the LED will back. This is my exercise. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye.